So welcome back to a new video. I'm still kind of sick, so this will be a short forecast once again. And you can clearly see from last vid that we had a kind of reaction of that. So it's not valid anymore. I wouldn't take it. I would have took it if it instantly went down and then went for it. But now it's kind of mitigated. I don't like the trade anymore. It's still valid, I guess, but it's not such a good trade as before anymore. So this is, I don't know. You can clearly see that it consolidated here, so it looks kind of dumb, or the movement is kind of dumb. So I wouldn't take it anymore, just saying. But we can go into EURJPY actually and make the same thing here. I didn't look at it before, so we're gonna look at it now. We can clearly see that we took a big liquidity right there, but it's not a clean sweep. I guess we had like a resistance area right there, and it took this, and it's probably gonna retrace now, so we're gonna have like a retracement after it kind of stops, so we're gonna have like a kind of thing like this. In the moment you know where it stops, you know you can aim for at least the 50% mark as a bias, and then we're gonna go in lower time frames. It's actually gonna continue to go up probably first, since it's not gonna randomly stop there now. But we can see that we had a retrace, and here this is the impulsive move. We're gonna retrace now again, probably a little bit, going into this breaker block kind of thing here. And after that, we're gonna take this liquidity once again, and then we kind of stop, and at some point we're gonna go down. But first, we're gonna want to see like a reaction of that. So I would wait until we see a reaction of that. Here, down here, a breaker structure, and then you can aim for the buy side liquidity or something like this. Looks valid, I think. And yeah, this is already the video of today. As I said, I'm sick and I don't have the time right now to make it and kind of edit all the videos. So there will be better videos in the future. But for now, this is it. See you next time. Bye bye.